Hey guys, welcome back to once again my channel. Different and beautiful latest and beautiful style and clutch, elegant and perfect for formal event functions. Easily carry for girls and women's best option for clutch, elegant, perfect formal event handbags like beautiful backpack great to carrying and items while keeping your hands free. And you can find crochet pattern for this design online or create your own costume designed by experimenting with different stitches and yarn colors. Happy crocheting style and stylish design handbags. Stylish crochet handbags designed often in value, unique texture, color, and beautiful ideas. Here are some ideas for creating stylish crochet pattern. Use charming and beautiful looks like crochet stitches pattern with the vibrant color or a trendy eye-catching look. Combine different stitches and French and beads, pearls for a boho-inspired design and transition with paint shadows of a single color for a subtle and stylish gradient effect and latest ideas. So guys, please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video till the end and mention me.